Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. The other day I did a video on this and I still had the file up and I was looking at it and I thought with the exact same figures you could make this pretty easily. So, and I also changed it to more than a hairline. I don't know why it will not. Let me go to Object, Break Blend Apart, go up to Object, ungroup it, go to Object, and I made it 4 points. Originally it was hairline, and it was pretty good, but then if you gain it to like 4 points and make it look, you can barely tell the difference in this. You can, well, let me zoom in here, and let me make it a hairline. That's what it looks like in a hairline, so this is what it looks like in 4 points, and if you go any more, it's going to be too much. So I'm going to group this together, Control G. I am going to Control D and make a duplicate and hit that X right there and move that node to that node and rotate it 60 degrees. And then I'm going to Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now each one of these is a different segment, so I can go now and change the color by right-clicking because it's an outline and not a fill. And you could pick any color you wanted to. It's going to look pretty good. That one's already red. We need to keep one of them red, I guess, to make it look good. Let's use this blue right here. Now, what's really cool about this is when you bring in a black box, look how it makes it just pop out. And that's exactly the same pattern that we did the other day, with the exception that we've turned them around and not, instead of having them loop to the center, we're having them loop to the outside. Kind of fun to play with. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.